From managing projects and installing materials, Shelving.com can help companies of any size improve space efficiency and enhance safety. We're excited to showcase a recent project that exemplifies our commitment to turnkey, top-shelf solutions. Our team recently transformed an expansive 780,000 square foot warehouse into an extraordinary example of superior storage and manufacturing optimization. Shelving.com managed the job from start to finish, designing the layout, sourcing materials, developing project timelines, scheduling installation crews, and more. Ultimately, Shelving.com provided an exceptional solution for their client through outstanding space allocation and floor plan optimization. Top quality products were installed adhering to industry safety standards, resulting in a finished product that inspires pride and confidence in its performance. Over 1,000 sections of powder coat pallet racking in custom colors denote different storage areas. Spanning up to 30 feet high maximizes vertical space while creating a durable location for machinery. Post and rack protectors guard uprights from damage, and welded mesh rack back guards prevent products from falling. Small parts are easy to access with closed clip shelving and plastic storage bins. Spaces are sectioned off using 5-foot high partitions, while 10-foot high partitions, along with speedy vinyl doors, secure areas requiring specific access. With safety paramount in any warehouse, guardrails and safety bollards protect walkways, workspaces, and materials, offering strong protection against accidental impact. In providing a wide 160-degree field of view, these convex mirrors increase visibility throughout racking aisles. Whether you're dealing with an expansive installation or a small storage challenge, Shelving.com's experienced team is here to help. Contact us today and learn how we can rack your world.
Shelving.com. We rack your world.